Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm challenging myself to fix a leaky faucet using just one simple trick. No plumber needed. Let's see if it really works. Leaks can be frustrating. Water dripping non-stop. That annoying sound keeping you up at night. And the thought of repair costs running through your mind. But what if you could fix it yourself, in just minutes? We've all been there. You wake up to the sound of dripping water, and your heart sinks. It's not just the noise, it's the damage it causes. Water seeps into tiny spaces, weakens walls and floors, and can even lead to mold growth. And those water bills? They start to climb fast. The worst part is feeling stuck, watching water leak while you wonder what to do next. But here's the good news. There's an easy, affordable fix you can do yourself. All you need is epoxy putty, a small, powerful product found in any hardware store. This stuff works wonders. It seals leaks on metal, plastic, even concrete. And the best part? It's quick, cheap, and requires no special tools. Here's how to use it. First, turn off the water supply. You don't want any more water flowing. Next, dry the area completely. Epoxy putty sticks best to dry surfaces. Then, take a small piece and knead it in your hands until the color is uniform. Once it's ready, press it directly onto the leak. Shape it around the area and make sure it seals tightly. In just a few minutes, the putty will start to harden, creating a solid, watertight patch. And that's it. Turn the water back on. No leaks, no stress, no plumber. A quick fix with epoxy putty, a dry surface, and a bit of effort. That's all it takes. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Leave your own DIY tricks in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more home repair hacks. Stay smart, stay handy, and keep your home leak-free.